everyone, my name is Dave Casuto from San Francisco Computer Tutors, and in this exercise we're going to show you how to create a sitemap in Dreamweaver. Basically how your site is mapped out and linked to other links within Dreamweaver, and also show you how to visually demonstrate that and then save it as an image file at the end. So definitely a very useful thing if you're working with clients and you want to basically see how your website is laid out in a more visual format.
So a sitemap is basically a visual way of illustrating and demonstrating how your site is laid out. So you can see it in a different perspective, because when you're looking at your site, you can't really see what's linked to what, etc. So this is a nice way of doing it. This is a very basic site right here, but you will be able to see basically how to do it in this tutorial. So let's go over here to our right hand side, and you're going to see where our root folders are and our files and everything like that. And for our different views, maybe you've experimented with some of this before, where you have your local view and your remote view. In this case, we want to have our map view. Okay, and now that's actually going to take us to the map view, and you're going to see how everything is linked up together. Okay, so I can also click on these little plus signs. It tells me, okay, that index is linked to About Us, and then About Us has a link to the index, and Services has these links associated with them, etc. And Contact doesn't have anything associated with it at this point. Okay, now I can also, so I'm going to drag out my files panel a little bit more, and you can kind of get a better view of it. And you can see if you have a big site, this could really be very, very beneficial. Everything's linking to each other. So now let's say, for example, I want to be able to save this as a JPEG. I want to actually save it as a file image. Right? So let's go ahead and come up here to our flyout menu. Okay, and you see it says File, and then Save Sitemap, and you can basically save it as an image file. So I'm just going to call this Story Street Site Map. Click on Save, and now it's saved for me for later use. I can email that to somebody. I can have access to it anytime I want to. So this is a really nice tool, again, just for basically seeing how everything's linked up, and maybe some things are linked up that you don't want to be linked up. So it's a nice way of looking at it that way. All right, so good luck and have fun with that.
Okay, well that concludes our exercise on creating sitemaps within Dreamweaver. So you see how easy and definitely useful that is. Once again, my name is Dave Casuto from San Francisco Computer Tutors, and you can look me up on Yelp.com under San Francisco Computer Tutor, and hope to hear from you soon. Thanks.